Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope that you all are fine. Dear students, attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. It's your computer class. Now my dear students, get your computer books. Today we are going to The title of unit number 2 is Electronic Mail. Dear students, the short form of the word electronic mail is email. Okay, after completing this unit, after the reading of this unit, you will be able to define electric mail. You will be able to describe the features of email. So students, let's start the reading of this unit. Introduction. Let's know about email. That what is this? Electronic mail or email is a method of sending or receiving messages from one computer to other computer. एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर पे अगर हम मैसेजेस को सेंड करें या रिसीव करें तो किसके ज़रिए किया जाता है? दिस इज़ डन थ्रू द ईमेल. ठीक है, इट इज़ अ मेथड. ओके, it is based on store and forward model. Email servers can store, accept and forward the messages. The message may also include image, audio or video clips. In simple words, we can define it as the sending message is called in an electronic form. Okay students, which type of data we will send through email? Yes, images, audio or video clips. And simply we say that the sending message in the form of electronics. Okay, the sending of messages in an electronic form. Okay students, let's know the history of email. Email started in 1965 as a way for multiple users of a time-sharing mainframe computer to command. By 1966, it was extended to become network. Okay, ये start कब हुआ? This is started in 1965 और 1966 में इसकी extended form बनाई गई जिसको email का नाम दिया गया. The ARPANET computer network made a large contribution to the developing email. Ray Tomlinson was the first person. ये वो first person था who sent a mail, जिसने एक मेल सेंड की across the network and initiated the @ sign. This sign is read as @. Okay, to separate the names of user and their machines in 1971. The ARPANET significantly in the popularity of email. Okay, this is the history of email. What is an email? Short of electronic mail. Email is the short form of electronic mail. E stands for electronic and mail, and it is used to send and receive the messages over the internet. Internet is very compulsory component for running the email. Must have an email account online. Okay, email account ज़रूर होना चाहिए email को चलाने के लिए. Let's know some features of email. Okay, email address is unique. Okay, the email address जो होता है वो unique होता है. We can send or receive messages. Sends the same message to multiple recipients. Composes and reads messages offline. Has an address book to save and retrieve email addresses. Create multiple folders to organize email. Okay, ईमेल के मुख्तलिफ फीचर्स होते हैं जैसे कि ईमेल एड्रेस यूनिक होता है, रिसीविंग और सेंडिंग मैसेजेस इजीली हो जाती है. इसके अलावा इसमें हम एक से ज़्यादा लोगों को भी मैसेजेस को सेंड कर सकते हैं, कंपोज कर सकते हैं ईमेल को. इसके अलावा रीड भी कर सकते हैं ऑफलाइन होके. इसके अलावा इसका एक एड्रेस होता है टू रिट्राइव द ईमेल. इसके अलावा मल्टीपल फोल्डर्स कैन ऑल्सो बी ऑर्गेनाइज इन ईमेल. To use email service on the internet, there are many email programs. You have to register your name and other identification details with these programs. when you registered on an email program your account. Okay, email program के भी मुख्तलिफ प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं जैसे कि हॉटमेल, जीमेल and Yahoo Mail, etc. So students, let's know about some email programs. Here are some email programs in front of you: www.hotmail.com, www.yahoomail.com, www.gmail.com, www.rediffmail.com. Okay students, remember, when you create an account you have to make a password. एक पासवर्ड भी आपको बनाना पड़ता है, इसके अलावा ईमेल आईडी भी बनानी पड़ती है. Email messages consist of two major parts. There are two major parts. Number one is header and the second one is body. Header. The header of message is divided into fields such as sender, receiver, summary, and the other related information. And body. हेडर के अंदर तो मुख्तलिफ तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं जस्ट लाइक सेंडर, रिसीवर, समरी एटसेट्रा. अगर हम बॉडी की बात करें तो उसमें मैसेज जो होता है वो इटसेल्फ जो होगा वो उसकी बॉडी होगी. Okay जी, let's know about the further features of header. Header section: from, 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 to, subject, date, cc, bcc. From, the email address and optionally the name of sender. Okay, जिसने सेंड जो मैसेज भेज रहा है वो फ्रॉम में आता है. टू, किसको मैसेज भेजा गया, हु इज़ द रेसिपिएंट. सब्जेक्ट, अ ब्रीफ हेडिंग ऑफ द कंटेंट्स. एक ब्रीफ हेडिंग होती है, आपने जो कंटेंट भेजना है, इमेज है, पीडीएफ फाइल है, एटसेट्रा. किस डेट को आपने सेंड किया. सीसी स्टैंड्स फॉर कार्बन कॉपी, बीसीसी स्टैंड्स फॉर ब्लाइंड कार्बन कॉपी. Here are some MCQs. Dash is the process of sending and receiving messages on one computer to another computer. Okay, which one is the process? Browsing, emailing, hacking. Yes, emailing is the process of sending the messages from one place to another place. You have to dash your name, you have to register your name, you have to log in, you have to install, you have to register your name. Dash contains brief summary of message contents. Subject field, data field, form field. Yes, subject field is the correct answer. You can change your dash anytime. You can change your password, account name, none of these. You can change your password. Okay, these are the correct options. Let's know about that how can we create an email account. To send and receive messages on internet, you have to create an email account as we discussed earlier. जैसे कि हमने पहले डिस्कस किया, मैसेजेस को सेंड करने के लिए आपको एक ईमेल अकाउंट बनाना पड़ता है वेबसाइट पे. टू रजिस्टर सबसे पहले आपको हॉटमेल खोलनी है, जस्ट लाइक दिस वन, www.hotmail.com. सबसे पहले आप इसको टाइप करें एंड देन प्रेस द एंटर की. नेक्स्ट एक होम पेज आपके सामने ओपन हो जाएगा. दिस इज़ द होम पेज ऑफ हॉटमेल. आफ्टर दैट क्लिक ऑन साइन अप नाउ. आपने साइन अप पे क्लिक करना है. इस तरह आपके पास इस तरह का एक फॉर्मेट एक पेज खुल जाएगा. क्लिक ऑन साइन अप नाउ हाइपर लिंक. उसके बाद आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन करनी है यहाँ पे, पुटिंग योर नेम बाय पुटिंग द पासवर्ड्स एक्सेट्रा. देन क्लिक ऑन आई एक्सेप्ट. इफ ऑल द एंट्रीज आर फील्ड correctly then your account is created. अगर आपकी सारी एंट्रीज करेक्टली फिल्ड होंगी तो आपका जो अकाउंट है वो क्रिएट हो जाएगा. ओके, now student, let's know how we will create a Google account or a Gmail account. Okay student, first of all you have to type here the address, just like I am typing here Gmail sign up. Okay, after doing this a page will be open in front of you. Now click create your Google account. After clicking this, a form will be open in front of you, and this form contains different types of information. If you fill all these information accurately, just like fill first name, last name, user name, then password, and after that confirming the password, after doing all these formalities your account will be created. Then you will put the button next. Okay, remember student, if you fill wrong any wrong thing here, or if you leave any block, then your account will not be created. Okay, this is the very simple process to create an account. Let's move toward the question answers. Define email, define CC, what is the use of attachment option, write down the names of some email programs. Dear student, today we are going to discuss those questions जो कि हमने जिनका टॉपिक हमने पढ़ा है, ठीक है. Okay, first of all, question number 1, define email and define email. So email, the definition of email is in front of you. Email is the process of sending and receiving messages in an electronic form. Define CC. CC stands for carbon copy. It helps to send some messages to several people at the same time. एक ही टाइम पे आप several peoples को messages send कर सकते हैं, and it is known as carbon copy. Now students, skip question number 3. Let's move toward the question 4. And the question number 4 is, write down the names of some email programs. Yes student, we have discussed different email programs. So number 1, www.hotmail.com. Number 2, www.yahoomail.com. Number 3, www.gmail.com. Number 4, www.rediffmail.com. Okay, you can also write this name from your book. Here is question number 5. Differentiate between CC and BCC. Dear student, first of all, you have to write the abbreviation of CC. CC stands for carbon copy. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Now, what is the purpose of CC? It helps to send messages to several people at the same time. एक ही वक्त में मैसेज को सेंड करता है. BCC. BCC stands for blind carbon. BCC sends same message to different several people without letting them know that other also get the same message. Okay, दूसरे को नहीं पता लगता कि बाकियों को भी आपने मैसेज फॉरवर्ड किया है, लेकिन आप एक से ज़्यादा लोगों को सेवरल पीपल्स को एट द सेम टाइम एक ही वक्त में मैसेज भेज सकते हैं. एज द नेम शोज, ब्लाइंड कार्बन कॉपी. Question is, what are the features of email? So here are the features of email. Email address is unique. Send and receive messages. Send the same message to multiple recipients. Compose and read the messages offline. Has an address book. Create multiple folders to organize emails. Here is the next question in front of you. What are the different parts of email messages? We have also discussed this in our reading portion. There are two parts, header and body. Header of the message is divided into fields such as sender, receiver, summary, etc. Body means the message itself. Here is the next question. And how do you create an email account? So students, here are 5 steps in front of you. Write all these five steps in the answer of this question. Now dear student, let's move to your homework, towards your homework. And your homework is that write and learn all question answers that we have learned today, and on your neat notebook. Dear student, read your chapter number 2 also from your book. I hope that you have understood today's lecture. If you have any question or any difficulty regarding this lecture, call me at school's number. I'll answer your all queries. Dear students, complete all the homework or tasks that are assigned to you in 2 days and share the picture of your homework at school's WhatsApp number. That's all for today. See you next time. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.